Hey guys, it's Mike Pastry here. I just want to show you this blizzard that I am having. Yes, it is October and we are having a blizzard. And it's supposed to be worse tomorrow. As you can see, it's already super deep. Look at this. Look at this. It's going on my fucking mouth. It's only about, I think, 10 o'clock at night, and this is supposed to continue all the way, holy shit, it's supposed to continue all the way till Wednesday, I believe, and it's supposed to be even more worse starting tomorrow at in the afternoon. Here's my car. My car is completely covered. Just look at the light. Look at all the snow. I think this is absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. And it's freaking October. Let's go to my car here. And this has only been for a little while. I'll put my hand down. And this is supposed to continue till Wednesday afternoon. Look at this. I was trying to write my name in it, didn't work. Look at all that snow. Look at all this. Yeah. I just wanted to share this with you. Look at this. October. All that snow. A lot of the students evacuated because I'm up in the mountains where my college is. You can hear some crazy shit going on in the background. But yeah, I'll keep it update. I'll do another video because I'm sure when I wake up in the morning, this is going to be worse. I'm sure this is going to be way worse. Anyways, guys, if I lose power, I won't be uploading and I won't be on PSN. And you guys know why now. So I'm out. Bye.